So let us see what do we have here for you guys today. Oh, look at that. Options right in here. Someone who's not really thinking and balancing his or her emotions and feelings before magsalita, before mag-decide. Actually, before mag-decide. Yung energy ng hindi nag-iisip, no? At hindi mo na rito tinitingnan, no? Kung ano yung magiging kalabasan or resulta ng kanya rito, no? Ng mga ginagawa, no? So, that's the energy. For some reason, I'm not picking that that's your energy. It could be the energy which is the strongest, no? Ng person na kadil mo or itong lumalabas dito, clinging to your energy. No, very makapit right in here, no? Para siyang mantsa. Na kahit ilang beses mong rocks, andyo dyan pa rin. Yun, no? Okay, ginamit ko ang example na yun kasi posibleng itong person na to no, ay nagdulot talaga ng malaking lamat sa'yo, mga babes. Let's see. Who is this person right in here and what does this person here has to do with your reading? Okay. Oh, you're not delusional, mga babes. Talagang nakita mo itong mangyayari. You know, parang sounds like creepy yun, miss yan ah. Ano ba yung nakikita kong mangyayari dyan, no? Yeah, you're not delusional, mga babes, no? Hindi kayo rito namamalikmata. Hindi rin kayo rito nananaginip, no? This is really something here na nakita mong mangyayari, no? So, yeah. Okay, maybe meron dito mga babes na napanaginipan nyo ito. Pwedeng meron dito mga babes na posibleng ito ay iyong nalalaman, no, right off the bat, no, your intuition is on point. It's telling you, no, na mangyayari ito one day and that one day is now, no? Walang ibang araw, no? Yung one day na yun, kundi ngayon na, no? It's like, alam mo agad sa sarili mo na mangyayari ito, no? One day, someday, whatever. Diba? So it looks like, no, I'm seeing you watching like a movie right in here, no? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Like what I've said, Four of Swords, an indication that you could uh, had seen this scenario, no, sa inyo ditong dreams. Feels like deja vu, okay? But you're not dreaming, it's really happening. Yeah, look at that. See, now we've got the tower. You know. Ouch. Get out. You know, naku, 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 naku. Ten of Wands in reverse pa talaga. You know. Mm. There's this particular words, okay, communication that you've said. Mm. What goes around comes around. What comes up must come down. Diba? What's that? No? Karma. Bottom of the deck, we've got the Judgment right in here. Five of Cups also present. Full energy. Yeah. Okay. At kung si yeah. I just heard the song. But yun yung song. Now watch me whip. Watch me nene. Now watch me whip. Whip. Watch me nene. Yeah. Pero mga babes, no, ang talagang pinakamalinaw kong narinig dun is yung now watch me. Yan. Eh, parang tingnan mo ko. Yun oh. I bet gusto ko yung energy niyo. Kung bakit? Maya-maya lamang 'no. Batiin muna natin ang lahat. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Istam buyers. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung di pa alam, meron pa tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. If interesado, just click that link para kayo mapunta there. And araw-araw nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. And yes, mga babes, wala tayo ditong gender ba, lalaki, LGBT, no, everybody welcome. You can also switch roles if you want because it is really possible na magkapalit-palit yung mga roles right in here. And just take only what resonates, no? Kung gusto niyo i-claim yung mga mensahe, okay, go ahead, you can do that. And do not forget na timeless ito. Pwedeng nangyayari na, mangyayari pa lang. No? Kaya naman, just take only what resonates. So nakikita natin dito, you're not delusional, you're not nahihibang, you're not even crazy. You really knew this is about to happen, no? And now, it's happening. Tower energy, you know. Fear creeps in, no? Pero hindi sa'yo, kundi sa person rito, no? Na nakikita ko na parang umiikot-ikot, naglilipad-lipad ng ganyan. Yung karma sa kanyang paligid dito, no? Yeah, at kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, no, it looks like karma is about to strike into this person's life, no? Not someday, not one day, but now, Jigam, no? Kaya naman kung sino itong energy na ito, I do see that this person is about to receive the karma right in here, no? So whatever the case may be, we've got the Seven of Cups energy and there's this Ace of Swords, no? You've got this conversation, word or words came from your mouth, no? Or from your lips, no? So it looks like you've said this long time ago, okay, and it's about to manifest now, no? And what about that? Okay, I do see that with the presence of home, you showed this person here what family feels like, what love feels like. No, this is your ex-lover, this is your ex-husband, ex-wife, ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, no, someone that you've considered as your home, but it got ruined. No, this person set this home on fire. Two of Swords energy. I do see that this person here hurt you, might have other options right in here, no, and it so happened that he or she chose the other option or the other woman, other man right in here, no, over you guys, no, and this is something here no nakita kong nag-sprout dito no. Maybe from that event no nung time na yon no. Mukhang alam mo yung energy ng curse or sumpa no parang darating yung araw, magmamakaawa ka sa akin, luluhod ka, babalik ka, tandaan mo yan, yan, no? Okay, lumbas dito na pwedeng hindi mo yan sinabi ng harapan sa kanya. Pwedeng nasabi mo yan, no, while you are alone. So just take how this resonates. I'm seeing someone here, no, doing that. And it's like a curse na lumilipad-lipad right in here, no? So others, you could be doing this at night, no? Because of your too much emotions, because you are so angry, no, and your anger right in here, no, parang yun yung nagpatibay ng inyo rito, no, na word or words dito, no, feels like a curse for this person. Fear creeps in sa kanyang energy and that's what I'm seeing right now. Okay? At wag ka, matitigil lang daw ang karma ni ito, ng taong ito, mga babes, no? Kung papatawan mo siya ng kapatawaran, no? I repeat, kung papatawarin mo siya or papatawarin mo siya, bubulol, dito, no? And if not, then what goes around comes around, what comes up must come down. Now who's lying, diba? Who's trying to come back to me? See, karma it is. I always, no, I keep telling everybody, no, not just in this channel, even other people, no, na nakakasalamuha ko, be mindful of your actions, be mindful of your words because karma is everywhere. Karma is watching, no? And this person, naku, ilang beses na pala siya ditong binigyan ng signal ng kanyang angels dito, ng guardian angel niya, ng mga anghel niya rito, pero hindi siya nakinig. Sinunod niya rito yung kanyang sarili rito, no? And this person here, no? Ginawa niya pa rin yung malaking pagkakamali na yon, no? At ito na nga yun. See? Uulitin ko lang, this person right in here is receiving karma. And look at this. Ako naman, Tower Energy and the Ten of Wands in reverse. Ibig sabihin, hindi matatapos, walang katapusan, unlimited yung kanya ritong paghihirap. Because the Ten of Wands, when it's in reverse position, it only indicates that this is the type of burden that someone cannot put down. Someone right here cannot release. This is unlimited. Yeah. See? And the only thing that can stop this curse is your forgiveness. At pag hindi mo siya dito pinatawad, sorry pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kanya ritong bad karma. I know, but this person right here needs to have this taste of karma so that he or she, will be awakened, sa kanya ritong mga pagkakamali at kasalanan sa'yo. Diba? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, look at that. We've got the Judgment, Seven of Cups right in here, in the presence of Five of Cups right in here, Fool. Okay, that song, I got it now, Watch me, now watch me, Ibig sabihin, panoorin mo ako. Yan, Habang ginagawa ko ang buhay na gusto mo. Yun, no. Now watch me whip. Now watch me neneng. Yan, Yan kung sino man itong mga energies nito, nakita ko rito, napapanoorin lang talaga kanya rito, habang ikaw ay gumagawa rito ng buhay na gusto niyang klase ng buhay. Yung masagana, yung masaya, yung maraming abundance, prosperity, 'di ba? Yun yung buhay na gusto niya, pero ikaw yung gagawa niyan, Yan, panoorin mo akong gawin yung buhay na gusto mo. Yun, So we have here this Judgment card energy, okay? And there's this Five of Cups, a very strong, sad energy, Dahil nakita ko dito na hindi na kayo babalik sa buhay niyo, At isa rin yun sa pinakamalupit na karmang marireceive niya. At kung hindi mo siya dito patatawarin, tuloy-tuloy din dito, ang iba pang mga karma na papasok sa buhay niya. It's up to you, sweetheart. Nasa inyo kung babawiin niyo ito. Yung iba wala kayong kamalay-malay, subconsciously wala kayong kamalay-malay, hindi kayo aware, that your words from that long time ago, your words back then, became a curse for this person. However, okay, universe is not saying no, na mali yan, collective or whatsoever, because this person needs na matutunan ang kanya ritong leksyon na in a difficult or hard way nga lang, 'di ba? So, I do see that you've got the ball at your court, okay? If you want na matigil ang lahat ng mess sa kanyang life, then you can make pato that forgiveness. Pero if you're not ready and if it is not really okay for you na patawarin siya, then the karma will continue to flow into this person's life. However, universe is also agreeing to this because your person is quite stubborn. Matigas yung ulo niya. This person right in here is not listening with his or her guidance and angels, guardians and angels niya rito, So, kailangan niya talaga dito ng konting pukpok, sa kanya rito, na ulo. So, however this person here, I do see that this person is now experiencing this bad situations, okay? A lot of situations right here, na hindi talaga pumapabor sa kanya, Marami siya ritong energy ng pagkagipit, hindi lamang sa pera kundi sa mga situations and even time. 'Di ba? Ote, this is something here, no, very messy. This person's life is very messy indeed, no? So whoever this energy is, no, nasa kamay mo ang takbo ng buhay niya, sweetheart. Okay? So whether you knew that or hindi, no, now you know. Kasi chinika ko na sa'yo, no, if you resonate in this reading. Alright, it's up to you. Okay? Your decision, no, ang magmamatter dito, and at the end of the day, ang decision mo pa rin ang magiging matimbang. Alright, so for the initials right in here, ang dami. Unahin na natin letter K. We have here letter N. We also have here the letter F. Andito rin ang letter U. Mawawala ba ang letter S? Andito rin ang letter O. We also have here the letter T. And we also have here the letter B as in boy. Nandito rin ang letter H. And last but not the least, the letter L. So yeah, just take only what resonates, guys. Again, I'm Miriana on Sarang Love and Light. And yeah.